The last point we're going to talk about in this part, which is peers pulling language. Have you ever been with a friend before, and when you were talking together, and you forget a certain word and you don't know how to say it in your language or in the language you're speaking with, and then your friend would just help you with the word you're looking for? This is the idea inside the English classroom. So one of the students would just forget about a word, and the other one in his team or her team, they start to give them different suggestions for the word they are looking for, and as if they are pulling the language from each other's mouths. In the coming episodes, we're going to talk about different techniques that you can use to apply it in your classroom to help your students become more cooperative and at the same time make your classroom more fun.